Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to trim video here in Adobe Express. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Adobe Express, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Trimming a video here in Adobe Express is a simple process that is a key editing step with various creative, practical, and technical benefits. For example, I'm working with this specific design and I wanted to add more videos. I'm going to add a page wherein I'm going to click in this videos that I have in mind. All right, so I'm gonna choose this video right here. For me to be able to trim that, all I'm going to do is click the video. All right. And then you see there is an option down on the bottom right that says edit timeline. If you do that, you would notice that you have all these options for you to adjust the video, and that includes trimming. All right. Now, you can use this one right here, the like an arrow wherein you can trim this to around, it's originally around 15 seconds, but if you want to trim that until like maybe 3 seconds, you can do that. All right. Now, another option that you can do to trim videos right here is, I'm gonna undo that by pressing Control C. Right click on it, and there should be an option that says split. All right, so you split that, split this in. So you see, you can have multiple cut out video, like trimming a part of it and then trimming another part of a video. So that's two-way. Another option is, I want you to go to the home page, which is going to be the easiest way for you to trim the video. In the home page, you would notice you need to go to the more ways to start. There's going to be an option that says view all. If you click that, what will happen is I want you to click on the quick actions. In the quick actions, just hover down below where you can see the option for the trim. All right, click the trim video. You would notice that you're going to be seeing a lot of options here. You can drag and drop a video. All right, but please be mindful that the file size can only be until 1 GB. Now, if you want to drag and drop a video of your own, you might want to click on browse, drop it here, or you can say click on browse. For example, I'm uploading this specific video. All right, now when you do that, you will be asked for the start time and the end time. Now, for the layout, you also have an option for the landscape. Is it going to be a portrait, square, and a lot more? And you can also download that already. For example, if you decided to trim it here, trim that and click on download. You also have the option to remove the video or to extract the video, so it's not going to be included on the output or the downloaded file. But if you want, you can click that in the editor so you can add more elements if you wanted. All right, so you're welcome to do that. So let's click on it. Now, from here, similarly to what we have earlier, you see you have all of these options for in. You can add text. For example, this. You can add a text here, put it here. Okay, change the color if you want. Maybe black, right? And then from there, if you're happy with that, all you're going to do is click on download or click on share and send the link to your boss or your client. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.